one of the videos that I tried doing a while ago, it just didn't pan out for various reasons. B-roll didn't record very well. I think I lost my audio. That might happen today. It's very hot here. We'll see how it goes. Was EndeavourOS. I wanted to take a look at it, see what it's like, get it installed, see if it was easy to use. Let's jump in and see if it is. So, EndeavourOS. This is just the ISO downloaded, built with, I think I built it with Rufus, ready to install. Let's jump in and give it a go. So here you are. I've booted to the USB and I'm ready to install. So let's start it up. I didn't think it was going to then. Yeah, you can tell that's a Linux, can't you? Yeah, like I said, a bit of a heat wave here at the moment. It is absolutely boiling in here. Okay, let's see how we go. So we've got the mouse cursor. It's a good sign, I guess. Oh, what did that say, anyone? Pause it to see, because I didn't see it. Here we go. Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you!
Okay, we're just going to start the installer. I'm not going to bother looking around in this. We'll just get it installed first. Now, I've had problems with Calamares in the past. Hopefully it'll work today. Yeah, it looks a bit better. Now, you still don't know where I am, do you? Maybe you do. Okay, we'll take that. We'll take that. I suspect that this is still version 5 looking at it. Yeah, System D. Not a fan of System D. Coming from the FreeBSD world, that's not really surprising. Okay, why not? 1 gig for swap. Really? Oh no, it's EFI. So what's that? Okay, bootloader, I would imagine. What's my name? Test bed. Don't need to put a password in every time, do we? Oh, QR code. Everybody seems to be using QR codes these days, which is fine if they want it. Wonder how long this will take. Hopefully not too long. I want to go to bed. Okay, so it started installing the base. Of course, this will take a little bit longer because I did an online version rather than offline using what's on the install media. That's fine. Oh, would you look at that? It's done. That's what I like to see. Yeah, let's reboot now, shall we? Pull out the USB in a sec and see how it's done. Like I said, I had problems with this before. Hopefully this will go well. But it's taken a while. Any time today. Quick reboot. Interesting. What has happened here then? Yeah, I hate this diagnostics. Winds me right up. So there is clearly something going on here. Okay. Okay. Disable CSM. Yeah, let's disable CSM. Try again. I didn't realise CSM was enabled on this. Interesting. Okay. I wonder if that's why I had problems with something else the other day. Probably is. There we go. KDE. It's a good sign. There we go. Right, so we're in. Add more apps. Yeah, that'd be nice. Interesting. See, I find this really naughty. Alright, let's put Chromium on. Okay, right, so Chromium should be there now. Which should mean I should now be able to go to really? Alright, we'll do that. Okay, that's fine. I'm not too fussed about that. Oh, it's 6.1. You know, it looks like... It does look like 6.1, to be fair. Really must change the CPU in this. Awful. This is still doing it. Blimey. You know why? It's because it said something about doing it as root, didn't it? Let's try doing it as the user. Might actually work better this time. So while it's doing that, let's have a look around. Actually, first things first, I'm going to stick with that wallpaper because it's nicer. Okay. Yeah, this is better. This is what I was expecting to find. So, colours and themes. Yeah, it's not bad. Still like that you can do that. We trust you have received the usual lecture from local system administrator. It usually boils down to these three things. Respect the privacy of others. Think before you type. Yeah. I've got to be honest. That took a long time to install Chrome. Did it not? We won't sign in for just yet. Well, there we go. Okay, so let's have a quick look around. Let's see what playback is like on this. Yeah, we'll accept everything. Why not? So, we're going to use something called the Unix CD. I can hear that. It's coming out of the front speakers. Obviously, I've already got it, so I don't need to download it. It'll take a minute or two. It's 3 gig. It's not massive. Okay, that may well be playing over HDMI. Never mind. Right, so
I'm not really sure, to be honest.
So it should be
Can't
nice
really
and
tell.
Disc.
Maybe not.
This in a oh, it's KDE Plasma 6.1. What more can you ask for? We'll see what apps we got. Maybe I can... You know what isn't there? Kden Live. Yeah, no Kden Live there. Or Audacity. So let's try that. I'm not going to sit here and go through how to install software. It is clear that you can. Just a bit clunky if you ask me. Yeah. I mean, it's KDE Plasma 6.1. I like it. I just don't like the tools that EndeavourOS has put in and taken away. What can you do? Not much. You use the tools that are there, or you find a different distro. It's as simple as that. I think in my case, I would find a different distro. This one is not for me. What did I say? It was based on Arch, didn't I? Arch Linux. Yeah. See, Arch Linux needs a lot of work. Or at least that's how I perceive it to be. It may not be the case, but to me it is. Never mind. Keep searching for that perfect Linux distro that has everything. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and a share and a subscribe if you feel like seeing some of my other videos. There's also a link to something down there. I can't remember. Discord. That's what's down there. There's also a link to Discord down there in the description of the video. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you use EndeavourOS and what your thoughts and your take on it is. I don't think it's for me. As pretty as it is, and it is pretty, I don't think it's for me. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.